Hi students. So in the previous session we have seen the very important organelle of the cell, that is the nucleus. So let us move towards the next organelle of the cell, that is the cell wall. Cell wall. So we can see this cell wall on the uh, above surface of the plant cell. So we can't see this cell wall in the animal cell. So here this cell wall is the material which is going to provide a better protection and support to the plant body. So it is present almost on the completely developed parts of the plant. So here this cell wall is the structure that gives the protection to the cell. So this is the outermost layer of the cell in the plant cells, because we can see only the cell membrane in the animal cells. So there is no cell wall. The cell wall is made up of the cellulose, so which is little harder, so that can give the support and strength to the plant body. So the plants need the protection from the surrounding, because the plants are immovable organisms. They are going to stay, or they are going to complete their lifespan in the same place. So the whatever the changes are going to take place in the surrounding or in the environment, either it may be the temperature, or it may be the high speed wind, or it may be the atmospheric moisture. So from all these things the plants have to protect themselves. So here they have made a outer layer on their structure, that is nothing but the cell wall. So the cell wall is going to give the perfect protection for the immovable organisms like the plants. So here we can see why the animal cells don't have the cell wall, means they are movable, they can protect themselves from the different kinds of changes whatever going to take place in the surrounding themselves. So here this cell wall is made by a very hard material, that is called the cellulose. So here one point we should note, that the cell wall is the non-living part of the plant body. The cell wall is the non-living part. So here that can protect the plant from the different types of the changes what they are going to take place in the atmosphere. So this is about the cell wall. So let us see the one more very important organelle of the cell, that is the vacuole. So vacuoles are usually found very larger in the plant cells, while compared to the animals. So the plant cells have the larger vacuoles, but in the animal cells, in some animal cells we can't see the vacuoles, but in some we can see very small sized vacuoles are present. So here the vacuoles are the structures which looks like the empty packets when we are going to see, or when we are going to observe by the microscope. So here normally the vacuoles are filled by a liquid kind of material, that is called cell sap. The vacuoles are filled by a material called cell sap. So this cell sap contains the dissolved sugars and the salts. The cell sap contains the dissolved sugar and salts. So here we can see the main function of this vacuole is it is work as a storage pack. So whatever the materials required for the functions of for the functioning of the cell, so all the materials are stored in the vacuole. Even some waste materials are also going to stored for some time in the vacuole. So here compared to the plant cell and animal cell, here comparatively the plant cells have the large vacuole and the animal cells have the small vacuole, or it may be also absent in the animal cells. Some animal cells like amoeba, amoeba have the vacuoles which are functioning as the storage packets. So in the amoeba, so this vacuole is going to store the food. So these are called the food vacuoles. So in the amoeba, the storage functioning of this vacuole is present, so that is considered as the food vacuoles. So the main functioning of this vacuole is nothing but storage of the materials. So the materials which are present in the vacuole, that is called the cell sap. The cell sap is contains what? The dissolved sugar and salt. So this is about what the vacuole and the cell wall. So regarding the some other organelles which are present in the cell, so we will discuss that one in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, you can send the questions to the WhatsApp number. Definitely we will try to solve those. Thank you and have a nice day.